Good evening, Vishal. So what is the
Good evening, sir.
minimum qualification required for this Punjab National
Sir,
Bank credit officer post?
MBA graduation is required, sir, for this particular.
Only MBA graduation or 60% mark is
No, sir. 60% marks. Sir. I'm sorry for sir. Yeah.
60% marks only in MBA or in previous exams also.
I think so. In the overall education qualification, you have to have 60 percentage in. Sir.
Acha. You have the advertisement ready with you.
Yes, sir.
Please see that. What is it telling? Please see that.
1 second, sir. Just give me a second, sir. Just,
Hmm.
sir, they have given that full-time MBA or postgraduate diploma in management or equivalent with specialization in finance from any of the institute college recognized by AICTE UGC with minimum 60 percentage mark or equivalent grade.
Only MBA only. Other degrees they
Yes,
have
sir.
not.
Mentioned it, sir.
They have not mentioned about other degrees, correct?
No, sir. They have not mentioned it about it.
Oh, very good. Oh, because one candidate was asking, where, sir, I have scored less than 60 in my previous exams.
Yes,
Hmm. Uh,
sir. And another doubt, sir. Actually, I studied from online history, sir. So in specialization, we don't have a column in specialization that we have opted with finance or anything.
we have
And my doubt is
we have been
actually
discussing we have been discussing
in
this for
the
the last
call letter, they
20.
have not asked it, sir.
We have been asking for this for the last 20 days. That
Yes,
better
sir.
get a certificate from your college stating you studied MBA 2-year degree with finance as one of the majors.
Okay, sir. Sure,
That
sir. Because I checked
I,
that document required, they have given only in professional qualification, they have asked for specialization in irrespective of the department, sir. For post graduation, they have given just the degree certificate and the consolidated mark sheet, sir.
have you received the email for call letter?
No, sir, but I googled the previous joining instruction and what was the ask they have given. So in that they have mentioned this thing, sir.
No, but it
Shall
is
I?
advi it is advisable. I don't know. I might have handled it last year also. I advise
Okay,
you
sir.
because all this problem arose because of Union Bank, which sent
Okay, sir.
out people for FX manager, FX officer,
Okay,
when
sir.
their MBA degree did not contain international trade.
Specialization. Okay, sir.
So that is why better mm, they will ask you.
Okay, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Yeah,
So if I
no,
get from my college, it is fine, no, sir. Or
sufficient,
from the
sufficient,
unionist itself, I have to.
sufficient, sufficient. And
Okay.
when did you join our group?
Sir, after I think so, Sunday I joined the group, sir.
There are a lot of formats candidates have given.
Okay, sir.
You can ask the candidate about that so that they will give you. I don't know whether I am having it here. PNB SO credit. If you go back, mm, I am going back through the previous pages, and if
Yes,
anything
sure, sir.
is there, I will post it. PNB, yeah. I'm just searching it now. All this problem arose about 20 days back when UBI started disallowing people with MBA degree. And in fact, one of our candidate was sent home. He said, no, you are not eligible because your degree is not containing specialization.
Understood, sir.
Same Anna University.
On honesty. Yes, sir, because I cross-verified with others also, sir. I mean, honesty never gives any specialization until it is any masters in engineering, sir. So if we study any engineering related masters, they are mentioning specialization, sir. But in MBA or any other professional courses, they won't mention this, sir.
Acha, ठीक है, no problem. But if you have that, it is good. It is a precaution,
Okay, sir. Safety one.
safety measure.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I'll make sure I'll get it from someone that format. Or a rough format is from the letter stamp part from a college is fine, no, sir.
Yeah, anything from letters and but few candidates have already taken.
Okay,
That's
sir.
what I thought whether I can give them to you.
Yeah,
Many
sure, sir. Thank you.
so far nearly 40, 50 candidates have written to me asking, but I'm not getting one immediately. I'm
Okay, sir.
going through this one. Otherwise, yeah, I will ask in the group itself.
Okay, sir.
They will give
Format
us.
for this.
Yeah, hello candidates. Please post the certificate format taken from your college for specialization of finance. Original MBA certificate doesn't contain. I have asked for like that. Some people will post. Let us see.
Yeah, thank you for the help, sir.
Yeah. Vishal, please tell us about yourself.
So, good evening, sir. My name is Vishal Sabari. I have did my MBA in Finance and Operations, and I passed out in the year 2023. I have my undergraduation in Mechanical Engineering, and I passed out in the year 2019. And I'm currently working in HSBC as a trade processor analyst, and I'm located from Chennai. My father name is JW Ilangovan Nadarajan, and my mother name is Varalakshmi, and she's a homemaker. I have a younger sister named Vishnu Harini, sir. And my strengths are I quickly learn the things, and I like to achieve the task even if the deadlines are too near at any cost. And in my leisure time, I read infotainment books and I watch infotainment channels. So this is a short about myself, sir.
Yeah, no. Actually, you passed out in 2019.
Yes, sir.
And you joined in MBA in 2021. In between, what
Yes,
you
sir.
were
Exactly,
doing?
sir.
In between, what you
Sir,
were
I was
doing?
working. I was working as a engineer in Renault Nissan Private Limited, sir. And at the COVID time, we had the crisis of jobs, sir. And later on, I switched. I found myself comfortable in the management side also. So I took up the MBA course sir, after that job shift.
1 minute.
Sure, sir.
So you mean there is no gap?
Yes, sir. There is. I think so. The job switch is only the gap for that duration of my MBA, sir.
No. If
I
you have been working, there is no problem. So what is the
okay, sir.
work
That's fine.
you are doing in HSBC?
Sir, my work is to disperse CIL and PNP for UK zone, sir. And I have to cross-verify MT 103 transactions, sir. And
No.
any misuse of
Hello,
funds and any
hello.
process.
You are
Yes, sir.
using
Yes, sir.
abbreviations. You are using abbreviations which are not understood by me. Don't use
Okay, sir.
abbreviations in interviews. Never we
Okay,
should
sir.
use abbreviations. Tell me fully.
Sure. Sir, I am actually working in the disbursement of clean import loans, sir, and pre-shipment loans. Then I deal with the Shift 103 transactions for the processor, and my job also comprises of AML anti-money laundering process that the funds disbursed are not used for any illegal activities, or it is not either over invoiced or under invoiced, or not. Gone through any sanctioned countries or entities, sir. sir.
In the what period?
Yes.
Now, what you were telling is that you were giving import finance, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. International import finance.
What is that?
Sir, it is short-term loans given for premium customer with us, sir. So we provide them that payment in advance to the supplier, which later on the customer pays, sir, as a repayment to us.
So you mean to say the importer in India, for him, you will pay the money beforehand to the seller, and then later on you will recover it from the people, I mean, your customer, correct?
Applicant, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, both, sir. The pre-shipment before giving also. I mean, the just as a performer invoice which is issued.
Let us discuss import only. In the case of
Okay, sir.
import, what are the things that
Yes,
are
sir.
normally imported into our country?
From our country, or actually, I'm dealing for UK, sir. So, which country you're asking, sir? I mean,
Acha, acha.
for
Oh,
UK, which
yeah, acha, acha. You are dealing for UK, not for India.
yes, sir.
Oh, that means you are useless as far as our knowledge is concerned. Whatever you are
Uh,
having experience is only relating to you are working in UK bank, correct?
yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
So that means you don't know anything about our banking. Tell us about our Indian banking system.
Sir, Indian banking system is one of the fast-growing networks, and we are actually a leader in the technology aspect, sir. So, we also have the quite similar thing what has followed in the UK also, sir.
Mhm.
We also provide the import loans, export loans, and even we give the financial inclusions which are involved in this import export trade, sir.
Mhm. Mm, no, but you have not given me any answer at all. I am asking about the banking system. And for talking about it, minimum one needs 3 to 4 minutes. You never opened your mouth. What is it?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'll note it down the things which I'm missing out, sir.
See, actually, Indian banking system consists of public sector and private sector and foreign banks, besides the cooperative banks and also non-banking finance companies. Like that, you should start explaining about various aspects.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Now, please tell me how many public sector banks are there in our country. Name at least 6 of them.
Sir, there are 12 public service PSU banks in our country, sir. First is Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Central Bank of India, State Bank of India, and then we have another one. I'm sorry, sir, I'm missing out. I named five. Another one is we have
Totally 12.
Bank of Maharashtra, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. That 12 I mentioned.
totally 12. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good. How many private sector banks are there in our country? 21.
Sir, major five private sector companies I have the knowledge, sir.
What are they?
Five key. Sir, first is HDFC Bank. Second is ICICI Bank. Third is Kotak Mahindra. Then we have Axis Bank. Fourth and fifth is Yes Bank, sir.
Good. Very good. You told correctly. Now, what are the what are the duties of a credit officer?
Sir, starting from the first stage, we actually cross verify the credit worthiness of the customer, either through the CIBIL score and through the ITR filing. If it's a salaried person, we check it with his payslip. And if it is a company, we check it with the balance sheet and the profits with the GST filing, sir. Then we we value the credit, how much we have to give to them. later on the dispersal of the loan and the follow-ups of the loan and the credit appraisals is a major job description of an credit officer.
Okay. Now, why should a bank make advances?
Sir, bank make advances in order to facilitate the customer side from one side and for generating revenue on the bank for the other side, sir. So it is a win-win situation for both of them, sir.
What is the win-win situation?
The benefitor is also getting an profit, and the person who is giving is also getting a profit. So in this, we consider as a win-win situation. So in immediate situation, we need a fund. So bank is giving us advances, and in that return, they are earning some money. So this is helpful for both of them. So.
Instead, you can tell clearly, you have studied MBA.
Yes, sir. In finance and operations.
Yeah, you should have told me clearly. Banks make finance because they get interest from the loans.
Okay, sir.
The amount is used by them for managing their establishment expenses and also to pay to their depositors interest.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, what are the sources of income for the bank?
Sir, deposit is primary source. Then, I mean, second source would come from the interest and part, and we have the other sources from RBI, sir.
Mr.
Vishal,
Mr.
sir.
Vishal, this is
Yes, sir.
not the answer expected from an MBA.
Okay, sir.
Deposit is not an income. Deposit is just a source of money you are having.
Okay, sir.
The interest on loans is income. The commission on bank assurance services, mutual fund products, and wealth management advisory services commission. These are income.
Okay, sir.
Plus, banks invest in government securities, so they get interest on them. Banks also invest in stocks or shares, so they get dividend from them also. Could you follow?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Can you tell me what are the factors you'll be looking into before giving a term loan to a company for buying machineries worth 100 crore?
Sir, first would be I would verify the credit worthiness of that particular company, sir. And second, for each for buying a machinery, how that machinery, if it is not going in favor of that company, how we could recover from that machinery would be my second factor, sir. And if in case we are also giving that particular machinery, how the company would generate revenue out of it, and will it be in a profitable scale, we would consider this factor, sir.
Hmm. What do you understand by ETV expansion?
Sir, can you come again,
ETV.
sir?
E for England, T for Trivandrum, V for Victory.
ETB,
ETV.
sir.
ETV. V for Victory.
V for EVB or ETB, sir. ETV.
E for England.
Yeah, sir. T for Tango,
F,
V for Victor. I'm sorry, sir. I'm not. I'll make sure I'll get a knowledge of it, sir.
Economic technical viability.
Okay, sir.
Economic technical viability. And that too,
Sure,
you
sir.
are an engineer. Yeah. Okay. So, term loan, you should also go through the funds flow and cash flow statement given by them, and also check whether the DSCR, debt service coverage ratio, is working out properly so that they
Okay,
can
sir.
repay the monies. So you must be able to, you have to explain in detail.
Okay, sir.
Now, have you heard of the abbreviation CMA? What is it?
Sir, CMA. CMA. I heard of it, sir. Just give me a minute. I'll record it.
Credit monitoring arrangement.
Okay, sir. Yeah. I think so. I've heard it in some of your videos, sir. So only I got this. Okay,
Credit
sir. Credit
monitoring, credit monitoring arrangement. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Is a registration of a partnership firm
Yes,
a must as per law?
sir. For financial institution, it would be helpful if it is a registered partnership company, sir. But,
Why? In what way?
sir, then only we can. I mean, if in case the payment is delayed, we can get a sue. We can sue and we can get the recovery at least from that registered firm, sir. If it is
No,
not registered, we can't.
wrong. If it is not registered, the company
Yes.
cannot file a suit against others, whereas others can file a suit against it. So
Okay,
that is
sir.
why
That's
we
so
insist on the companies
registering.
getting them registered. Can
Okay,
you
sir.
tell me the
So,
difference between private limited company and public limited company?
so private limited companies are mostly what to say like they are having the limited authority. I mean, they have the power within themselves, and they are not having the a precise term is that they don't have the contribution of publicly from the research. And whereas the public limited companies, which have the government contribution as a public form, and the private also has some contributions.
So what is AOA and MOA? I myself don't know. What is the difference between
MOA,
AOA
Sir,
and
MOA, I think so. Memorandum of Agreement, I think so.
and
It would
sorry,
come like.
articles of association and memorandum of association? Yeah. What is the difference between the company's constitution? It is telling about MOA is the company's constitution, whereas
Sure. Yes.
AOA is a rule book comprising of bylaws.
Okay, sir.
I am giving this in our PNB group.
Sure, sir.
I have given it there. Good. What do you know about the third party products of our Punjab National Bank?
Sir, we actually have that Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited Scheme, PAL. So, actually, it is to have a shop or this thing opened by with our financing through the partnership of Patanjali branches. So, it is a third party product. I would consider it.
No,
I would say.
I am not asking about this. When I ask
Okay,
third
sir.
party product, I am asking about Acha, third party products. What is the third party products means? Dealing with the insurance policy of another company, dealing with
Okay,
the
sir.
mutual fund of the another mutual fund company for getting canvassing for them.
Okay, sir.
So I think that this has got nothing to do with what you said. Correct?
Okay, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, have you heard of FATCA, FATCA?
Financial Action Task Force, sir.
Foreign
So,
account.
sir,
Foreign
FATF is
FATCA is Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. For
FATF or FA.
FATCA.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I got confused with the FATF.
FATCA. Please study about
Vodka.
that.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Can you talk to me a few minutes on assessment of Mudra loan.
So yes, sir. Mudra loan is actually for micro unit development financing part, sir. So we actually provide loans from a range of 10,000 to 50 lakh for this small scale units which are being under the process. This is a the key product which has been issued by the government of India for the development of micro, small, and medium enterprises through the Prime Minister Mudra scheme, sir. It is the startups are getting funded for this their development to the next stage levels through this scheme, sir. And bank provided this financial inclusion through the Mudra development and annual budget also they have this allocation separately for this much amount is to be provided for the Mudra scheme, sir.
Mudra schemes, loans, details, did you get mentioned properly?
Yes, sir. The loan value from which they are giving from 10,000, they are starting to 50 lakhs they are providing.
How much? 50 lakhs?
Yes, sir.
Totally wrong. You are confusing with something else. Mudra loans, Sishu up to 50,000, Kishore up to 5 lakhs, Sishu, Kishore, Tarun up to 10 lakhs only. Could you
Yeah, up to
follow?
10 lakhs, sir. I'm so up to 10 lakhs, sir. I'm sorry for that.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank
Thank you, sir.
you.
Sir, those topic, any further